There you go. See? Anybody can do that. It's recorded. Yeah, when you guys start cutting each other's hair, you will be hearing from me for you guys to coming in. It's open.
Ay, sorry. Oh. Later, anak.
Or
How many kuya?
I got one more waiting, so
Okay.
when you see them coming out the car,
Yep.
you can come in.
Okay.
Is that
thank
okay?
you. Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Yeah. I'll be telling you to make your imaginary line.
Imaginary line?
A lot of people mix a real line that they follow. You don't need to do that.
What type of line?
You can create an imaginary line, and that will be your guide. You're the only one who knows where the line is.
Oh,
Okay? Like this, there's a lot of line. This is fine cut, tapering up like that. There's a line that you're following is like that.
okay. Ooh, okay.
See? You think it's becoming easy?
Maybe, yeah.
Yeah. Anybody can do it.
Sort of like breaking it down to smaller parts.
Yes. And it's just a matter of following that line that you made. See, whenever you're moving your comb like this, you're following a line.
Oh, okay.
So it's not like, oh no, you're following a line. It's not however you sit your comb, no. You have to have a line that you can follow. I think that is the most common problem of people who are cutting here. Their lines is not consistent. It can go deep or it can go short or long. some people use the guard, but the guard follow your skin. If you have deep and bumps, then your guard will follow the deeps and bumps. Make sense?
So the line helps keep it consistent.
Mhm. Once you learn how to make your lines and follow, ooh, you say, oh, that's all? Yeah, that's all. That's why this is very useful. Alright. See, now we even have thinning scissor. This is nice. It doesn't leave lines. So it's nice. You can do this. Lose your hair like that. And this, all you do is follow the hairline of the person you're cutting his hair. That way you move the line so far inside. And here's like that. And like I said, same thing with this. Just follow the hairline and you can't go wrong. Now when the hairline is so high, either make a closer haircut skin or make it medium long so that you can use the hair to move the hairline closer. Yeah, instead of so high. Yeah. So one of these days, when you call mo, Jaime, oh, I'm here in the Philippines. What? Don't worry. If you need haircut, I can still cut your hair. How's that?
Good idea.
How are you gonna do that? Well, I'll be talking to whoever is giving you a haircut. Right? I can just be saying, oh, nope, can't do that. Oh yeah, you can do that. Something like that. There you go. Let's see.
Great.
See? And because your hairstyle is the same most of the time, you don't have to spend too much time in front of the mirror, right?
Yeah.
Maybe do it like
Yeah, I
that.
just feel like once with the loop of my hair and then it usually falls into place.
Because seems like they have their own mind. Yeah. You're nice to them and manage them the same way all the time. Then they will behave like they're supposed to. Same. Even if they're saying that, oh, the family has no hair, don't believe that you're gonna be the same. I think if you take care of your hair, it may not, disappear just like that. That's what I believe. I could be wrong. But I've seen people like Laird. I cut his hair for more than 20 years. When he started seeing me, the hair is getting thin. But that's it. It didn't get worse. So, it can be taken care of. There's a lot of us, when we wash our hair off, we scrub it more and more and more. I think that's the problem. So, better not to scrub it so much. Yes. If it's cleaning your scalp and your hair, one scrub I think is enough. Instead of 30 minutes, 10 minutes scrubbing. No. Because Laird's older sons, they got no more hair. Yeah, they got a little bit like that. See? Because it's not because the family has no hair. No. Because Laird is also a member of the family. See? But he believes when I said, stop scrubbing for long. You can scrub it once, but not 10 times. You know? Oop, excuse me. How's that? That good? Let's see.
Ano? Anong dugo?
Is it bleeding?
I don't think so, no.
Thank God. Is that okay?
Just put
Ito yung isa. Pwede pa po ba itong...
Oh, the side?
Yeah. I don't want it to be long.
Okay.
Pwede pa pong tanggalan.
Want
Konti.
it shorter?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Thank you po.
That's the good thing of having power tools. Like that. But have you heard about Elvis
Presley?
Presley? The singer? You get a lot or long sideburn. You could do pretty much the same like this. You don't have to. All right. Not a whole lot of us got a long white sideburn. Yeah, I think your sideburn will be connected to your mustache
Oh, really?
and beard. Yeah, I see it now. That is if you want those to be connected.
I think it might look nice. Yeah.
Now, that's a lot of work. Yep. What do you think? No cover?
Looks great. Perfect.
A lot of hair. Don't pull it out.
Alright.
Okay? Because you keep pulling out the same hair, you eventually damage the root, then it won't come back anymore.
Do you think my hair is healthy? Like, is it too thin? Or my hair?
So, I think it makes a difference if you take care of it. Yeah. Instead of always in the blood. Because you know what happened to us while we are growing? All the adults in the house, whatever they're doing, we tend to do the same. Even if the result is having a no hair. Because that's what we see. So to me, that's not in the blood. That's what we see. Right? So when you are on your own, you're doing the same thing. Why? Because that's what you've seen when you're growing up. Make sense?
Makes sense.